Welcome back, everybody, to Paydirt Football, Season 26 between the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and the New Orleans Saints, and we are in overtime. We are an extra football game here. The Saints won the toss and wanted the ball. The Buccaneers will be kicking off. We have a 20-20 tie. We have the Buccaneers with 322 yards on 79 plays. The New Orleans Saints 327 yards on 16 play. It is a rainstorm field. It's wet. It's muddy. So we're going to go on. And the Buccaneers are going to kick off. Barth kicking 2. Kick returner 4. And the ball's going to travel 22. 70 minus 4, 61. He's going to be 1 yard deep in the end zone. He's going to bring it out. 23, 25 yards to the 24-yard line. In overtime, touchdown ends it. If a field goal, the other team has a chance to kick the field goal back. Both teams would get the ball to receive. Both teams get the ball. At least get the ball once. Both teams get the ball at least once. Tackled by the left corner, right corner. Okay. You got 45 Collins. He's got 39 yards on 20 carries. The team has 62 yards on 25 carries. The Saints first down. That'll be a sweep. You got a sweep on 20. 20 is going to be 2. Plus 2 more is minus 4. D2 is a white box, so he loses 4 yards back to the 20-yard line. Tackled by the right linebacker. Right linebacker. That goes down to 40. 14:40 to play. Pass. Wide receiver 2. You got a 20 on a sideline. He's got it for 6 minus 2 because the rainstorm is 4. You go up to A4, the white box, so he gets 4 back. He gets his 4 yards back to the 24-yard line. He was tackled by the right linebacker. 20, 14-20. They're no huddling. They're going up to the ball. They're not huddling. You got a 3rd down and 10. Wide receiver 2, Henderson. 25 on a middle pass. That's 21. Minus 2 is 19. A3 is a white box. 19 yards to the 43-yard line. First down and 10 on the 43. Tackled by left cornerback. Left cornerback. Left linebacker. Collins again. His 22nd carry today on plunge. You got 24. You're going to get 3 minus 2 is 1. E3 it's going to be 5. So you got a green 1, a green 5, 6 yards to the 49-yard line. Tackled by strong safety, free safety. 13:04 to play. 45 Collins. Collins is going to be a sweep. Got a sweep on a 30. You got 2. Minus 2 is 0. C4, white box, no gain. Tackled by the left tackle. That'll be 12:50. You got 3rd down and 4. Pass. Wide receiver 4. You got a 21 on a 7. That's going to be 22. 21 on a 7. It's going to be 22 minus 2 is going to be 10. Plus you got E1 is a red 9, so a red 9 against a green 20. It's going to be 11-yard pass play down to the Buccaneers 40-yard line. First down and 10 on the 40. Left linebacker makes the tackle. 12:11 to play. Collins gets the call. Collins is going to be a pass. You got a pass, green pass, 28. That's 16 minus 2 is 14. You got a B1, which is a white box, down to the 26-yard line of the Longhorn, the Buccaneers. Tackled by the free safety, middle linebacker. And 13-38. Oop, messed up. 12-11. It'd be 11-38. 11:38 to play. Okay. That was a screen pass. 45, Collins. What? Oop, messed one up. It's pass. 14 to the 26. Was tackled by strong safety. Free safety. Yep, right there. This was 12-11. Right there. Thank you. Okay, now you got a 45 Collins. Not Collins. It'd be Sproles. It's going to be on an off tackle. 35. He gets 5 minus 2 is 3. A3 is a white box. 3 yards to the 23-yard line. Tackled by the right linebacker. Be 10-55. Pass. 2nd and 7. Breeze to wide receiver 3. More. You got 22 on a 7. Going to be picked off. Ooh, that's going to hurt. A1 is a red box. Interception. We know that if we go here, you got interception to their red box. Still an interception right there. Right there. Still an interception. So, it's going to be interception. Breeze is third today. And it is an X. So it's double the yards. You got 5. 3 is 8. 2 is 10. Double is 20. He intercepted it on the 3-yard line. Stopped the Saints drive. Intercepted by the right corner. 21 right. He's going to return it. 36 is going to be returned. 63 yards. 36. 63 yards on an interception return. Right there. Oh. So you got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. From the Saints going in to win the game. Oh. Got the 3-yard line right there. He returned at 63. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All the way to the Saints 34-yard line. Tackled by the wide receiver 1, tight end 1. Oh, that's terrible. So you got 10:46 to play. First down and 10 on the Saints 34-yard line. Oh, bad. Tampa Bay's ball. Right there. Oh, this is bad. 34-yard line. Tampa Bay's ball. There. Oh, this is not good. 22 Martin. Breeze throws an interception, huh? You got 17 on a 2. 17 on a 2. Off tackle. You got a defensive flag on 17. On a 2 is a defensive flag. The play is 2 flags on the defense. 17. 36. He's going to go 3 minus 2 is 1. C3. 2 in parentheses gives you 2 yards to the 32-yard line, but there's 2 flags down. Left tackle. There's 2 flags. The first flag is on 26. That would be offsides, and the second flag is 2 offsides. So you got 2 offsides. So you got 10-25 right there. Penalty. Notify Saints. Offsides. Going to go 34 to the 29 with this rain coming down the way it is, and the rain coming down the way it is, you got to get a lot closer than 29 yards. You got to get a lot closer. 22 Martin. You got 25 on an off tackle play. He's going to go 4 minus 2 is 4. D2 white box, 2 yards to the 27-yard line. Tackled by the left linebacker, left corner. 9:45 to play. 9:45 to play. 2nd and 3 on the 27. They're going to go Ware. Ware gets the call. He's going to be a pass. It's going to be a screen pass. 16. He's going to catch 1 plus 2 is -3. C3 and 5, a red 5 and a red 3 is -8 yards. All the way back to the 35-yard line. That was a big play for the Saints. A terrible play for the Buccaneers. Tackled by the right tackle. And 9:06 to play. Oh, not bad. Bad. 3rd and 11. Is the pouring rain causing everyone that much problem? Pass. Tight end 2. 41. You got a 32 on a medium pass. Brown box right there. E1. Red box. So we got an incomplete pass at 8:52. We're going to go for it. We're going to pass. It's too far to kick. There's no way. I'd have to have a 39 or better. And my longest kick is 39. I can't do it. You got 39s on here. Or since you're on the 35, it'd be a 52, 56 on the punt column. Out of question. You want to try and win it? Oh, no. We're going to go for it. We're going to pass. We're going to go for it. We're going to pass. I think they got it. No, flags. Tied in 1. 88. You got 11 on the sideline. Offensive flags. 23 on the sideline. It's going to be 19 minus 2 is 17. C2 broken up. 23 strong safety, free safety, and the flag is going to be a 20, and that's going to be 20 on a pass is motion, illegal motion. So that won't hurt nothing. Penalty. Oh wait. Okay. Oh yeah. Wait, go back here. Got to do this right. You got 8:50. Ball's on the 35-yard line. Okay, here we go. You got ball on. They got to get to the 45. Saints 45. Tampa Bay's 25. Saints ball. 8:50 to play. Okay. Oops, sorry. I'm on the 35. Do that again. 35. Oh, my mistake. 35. 8:50 to play. Okay, 1st down and 10 for the Saints on their 35 on the 35-yard line. Next score wins the game. Whoever scores is going to win it. Got to plunge. 25. E2. E2 is going to be a white box. 25 is going to be 3 minus 2, 1 yard to the 36. Tackle by left linebacker, left corner. And it'll be 8:15 to play. Pass. You got wide receiver 3. 37 on a 6. Going to get 3 minus 2 is 1. And you got an A4 on a 6. It's going to be 9 yards right there, up to the 45-yard line. Tackled by left linebacker, left corner. And that'll be 7:37 to play. Who's the flag? Is it a first? Is it a first? 1 is no first down, to be short. 2 or 3 is a first down. And since it's a 3, it's a first down. First down, Saints. Official measure. First down. Come on. First down. Okay. 7:37 to play. Collins, his 25th carry today. Sweep. You got 33 on a sweep. He's going to get white box -2. Another red 1 is going to be -3. Back to the 42-yard line. Tackled by right defensive end. And that goes 6:53 to play. You got 2nd and 13. Gonna pass. Wide receiver 1, Colson, 22 on a bomb. Offensive flags. Ooh, that's gonna hurt. Offensive flags. 23 is a brown box on a bomb. E4 is a brown box, double coverage. And the flag is going to be a hold. Okay, this was a double coverage here. We got to write that in. And then I'm going to take the penalty, moving back even farther. We got plenty of time. Just give us less yard. Give the Buccaneers left yards. Got pass, 3rd and 23. Notify. You got 2nd and 23. You got a wide receiver 3. That's more. 35 on a bomb is a brown box. B3. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh, this is gonna hurt. 35 on a bomb is a brown box off the Saints. B3 off the defensive card is 52 yards in parentheses. Oh, got a brown box, parentheses. Defensive gives them 52-yard pass play. So you got 10, 20, 30, 40, 52, all the way down to the 16-yard line of the Buccaneers. A 52-yard pass, tackled by the free safety. And they got 6:05 to play. The rain is pouring down. Can't guarantee the field goal from distance of anything because it's the rain. 20-20 tie. We're in overtime. Got to get closer. 45. You got a sweep, and you got 25 on a sweep is 7 minus 2 is 5. D3. You got a D3 is 4, green 4, green 5, 9 yards down to the 7-yard line. Tackled by left corner, left end. And that the next score wins the game. 5:25 to play. Buckaroos 43. Buckaroo Saints going for 43. Sprues is sweep. 34. He gets 4 minus 2 is 2. C2 white box. 5-yard line. First down and gold. Tackle middle linebacker Foster. 444. You got 45 Collins. Collins is going to be a pass. 35 pass screen incomplete. E3 white box incomplete. Oops, messed up. This was 4. This is 444 right here. 444. This is going to be 440. 435. Am I right? I know I'm right. Right there. Yep. This was what is it? 435. 435. Okay, second goals from the 5. 43 Sproles. You got a 34 on a sweep. He's got a 4 minus 2 is 2. You got an A1 is a white box to the 3-yard line. 34 is middle linebacker. 59 Foster. 3:54 to play. Third down and goal from the 3. Don't throw an interception. Tied in 1 is 80. You got a 12 on a 7. You got to be kidding me. 19. B3 22. Okay, you got a 19 here. 22 in parentheses. 22 rules. So he's out of the end zone by 11 yards. A 1 is uncatchable. A 2 or 3 is a touchdown. And what do we got? We have a 2. The Saints scored a touchdown to win the game. 3:42 to play. They win the game. 3:42. Saints pull off the overtime win. 26-20. Overtime win. Check your stats. Make sure they're good. And all white, so we're good. Game finish. You got the Buccaneers losing their second game, and the Saints winning their fourth. And the time, 29. That's 21. That's 1 hour and 36 minutes. Sure. There. 2 hours and 36 minutes. That's the longest game I've ever had and ever played. Most of my games are finished in about an hour and 15 to hour and 30 minutes. This game is the longest game I've ever played on Paydirt Football. Whew, that was long. Saints win 26-20 over the Buccaneers. You check your career stats right here. I mean your game stats. Yep, you got your game right here. You got your first downs, your yardage. Rushing yardage, Tampa Bay 108, Saints 78. Passing yardage, Buccaneers 208, Saints 377. Freeman was 22 for 48, 1 interception. Breeze was 25 for 43 for 3 interceptions. Total yardage, Buccaneers 316 yards on 83-3. Saints 455 yards on 78 plays. Time possession was only off by 6 seconds. Pretty good. Penalties 10. Okay, your leading rusher was Martin with 67 yards. Obviously, we know Breeze threw the hell out of it. 385 yards. Leading pass receiver Morgan, 124 yards receiving yards. Leading tackle Jabbar Gear, 13. That's your scoring session right there. Then you got your first quarter, your second quarter. If you want to go play by play, excellent. Today's game is over with the New Orleans Saints winning in overtime 26-20 over the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Thank you.